Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a wide aperture lens or using the largest aperture available. This creates shallow depth of field which produces bokeh. Mount your camera on a stable surface or tripod, set aperture priority or manual mode, and dial in the lowest f number. Position your subject close to the lens and move the background far away. The greater separation increases blur. Once done, focus precisely on the subject's eyes or a focal detail, so background highlights turn into soft, out-of-focus discs. Now you shape what becomes bokeh. Arrange point light sources or reflective textures behind the subject. Tiny bulbs, fairy lights, or specular highlights work best because they render as circular blur. If you want custom shapes, cut a small aperture mask from black card and fit it over your lens. The mask's cutout determines bokeh shape. Make sure to meter for subject exposure so the background lights aren't overpowering. Balancing exposure keeps bokeh visible without blowing out highlights and losing shape. Finish by fine-tuning focus and aperture while reviewing test frames. Wider apertures and closer focus increase bokeh size, while stopping down reduces it. If background elements stay too sharp, move them farther back or move your subject closer to the camera. Both increase blur. For troubleshooting, if bokeh appears harsh or polygonal, switch to a smoother lens, round the aperture blades with a wider aperture, or diffuse the lights slightly with tracing paper. This smooths highlights and creates more pleasing, creamy bokeh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.